Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to turn off auto sleep on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, if your MacBook is like that, if you were not using your MacBook for a while, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 10 minutes, and your Mac your MacBook will automatically sleep or on its sleep mode. So and you don't wanna do that, guys, because you know you don't like it. So in order for us to turn off that, guys, we just need to go to our settings. Okay, let's go to our settings, and let's on the sidebar, guys, we have so much options here. We just look for lock screen. Okay, this one. And as you can see, guys, here, torn display off on battery when inactive. So we have also here torn display off on power adapter when inactive. So when our MacBook or laptop is inactive, so in order for us to avoid or turn off the automatic sleep, we can choose never. Okay, do not sleep or turn off our laptop or MacBook when it is inactive. So that is, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.